I will talk first about the purpose of this conference. So, the purpose of this conference is actually being held formally to announce the new launch of the undergraduate and diploma courses that will be introduced to the upcoming academic session. So these courses are designed in response to the changing of the educational landscape in the state and the needs for the young students who are aspiring for a quality higher education with a strong career prospect. This initiative is not just about introducing the new course, it is about opening a new door to our youth with the impressive of the academic performance of students in this year, class 12 examinations across the state, which recognize the urgent needs to expand the access of high quality educations in the state. So this conference is our way of saying we see our potential, we hear your aspiration, and we are here to support your future. So a little bit about MLCU. Martin Luther Christian University has always strived for a student-centric and looking forward institution since its inception. Martin Luther Christian University has remained committed of offering relevant, inclusive, innovative, and academic programs that serve both the local and the global community. We are proud to share with you all our recent achievement that we have received an ISO 2100-2018 standards certification, which affirm our commitments of a high quality education in the state by giving or providing an excellent and effective learner support. Additionally, we also like to inform that we have received an award from the educational world, which is the 7th ranking in diversity, inclusivity, and equity.
For the UG program, you're asking about the
5 years.
5-year integrated, right? So 5-year integrated program, it means that the first 2 year will be there, they do the diploma, and by the time they're in the second year, they will have electives. So once they are with us, we are not inventing the wheel here. Other universities are already doing this, right? For example, I can also cite an example where we have the diploma courses for BSc MIT, BSc MLT. These are medical lab technology and medical imaging technology. So student after class 10, they come to the university, they do the BSc MLT and BSc the diploma MLT and diploma MIT, after which they take admission to the bachelor's program of that course. So similarly here, by the time they're in the second year, they will be exposed to different electives through which they can decide. So the handout that we're going to give you, we have already written there what is the next level, okay, the entry. So there they can opt for BCA, of course, for BA courses, for BSc courses, for BSW, BCom, BVA, Bachelors of Visual Arts, and BTTM. So almost all the courses that we offer in the university, they can opt for that. University. So, and it's a 5 years, so it's divided into 2+1. That means 2 years is for the diploma and 3 years is for the bachelor's program. You may ask, what happens then? Suppose somebody has joined this program and wants to leave after 2 years. So with the NEP and the UGC multi-entry, multi-exit, MEME policy, but through that actually they can drop after the first 2 years and join any other courses. This is also covered by the RPL. So I think when it comes to the how these courses will work out is we have aligned all these both with the different frameworks that we have on education and also with the UGC's guideline. All the UG courses we're giving a 50% scholarship. We understand that there will be a lot of students. This gesture from the university is to help out the students who are there and who have not perhaps got admissions anyway, right? And being a private university, they do not have to also clear the CUET examination. So that is also there. So there's a 50% discount on the UG courses, all these new UG courses, and also for the integrated course, the fee is very minimal.